park, GT2 RS, it's very quick to say the least. Obviously the horsepower is incredible. We know it's got 700 horsepower, so that for a street car is on its own really. For us to have it on our shores here in Australia and be able to have the full track to ourselves, that's been incredible for me. This is our fastest 911 we've ever built. So it's top end in terms of the stable. It's sexy to look at. Obviously it's very aggressive. The design, intentionally, the styling is very, very aggressive. So we're proud of that. This is a Visac package as well. So this is the lightest 911 in this variant as well. I can't believe we're here actually. To have the opportunity to drive the whole track, go out there and have a crack, it's been sensational.